Salama, Bena Zulu, Bena Congo. Yes, now those three foundational stones also represent the Trinity of Congo, yes, and the unity of Congo. It is seen in Tatanzambia, Pongutulendo, and the Celestial Order. It is seen in the Bena Congo Society, and it is also seen in the spiritual structure. But we will talk about that. Yeah, so the Congo is built on three pillars. And we have the moral and spiritual values, which is part of Saku, and I will explain Saku later. And second, modern techniques, which deals with science, Panzu, okay? And third, political rule, which is Nzinga. So we have Saku, Panzu, Zinga. Yes, Saku, Panzu, Zinga. Okay, let's read this part over here for you to have a good understanding. Yes. The word created in Genesis 1:1, bara, yeah, to form, to shape by cutting, create. Cutting also alludes to covenant making. The Hebrew word berit, knife to cut, lingala, mbeli, is the same. So berit is Hebrew, mbeli is lingala. Both words have the same signification. Yes, they have the same signification. Knife, what do you do with a knife? To cut. So a covenant was cut. Yes. The Assyrian Banu, for bara, Banu. Now in Banu you can see almost Bantu. To create, beget, with change of liquid. And in scissor or trade involving cutting, baru, create, make, kikongo, mbumba. You see that? So, mbumba. The Assyrian Banu or baru is the kikongo mbumba. Mbumba. It has to do with creation, creating something, forming something, giving form to clay, giving form to wood. Yes, here, to form or to shape. Okay, you can see it there clearly. In the act of creation, the Bukongo uses two words, sema, which can refer to seed, and you also have semi, yeah, which is to create. Yes, semi and sema. You have the same consonant, SM, semi, sema, and buma. See, so in the act of creation, the Bukongo uses these two words, semi, sema, which are actually correspond, and you have mumba. The word sema allude, among other meanings, to the action of lightning splitting the firmament. This is the cuttings, to say, of the covenant. Yes, while mumba means the fact of giving a form to a lump of clay, according to the dictionary of Bentley. I have the dictionary. A Congo proverb confirms the creator as a potter. Yes, in this proverb. Nzambi vumba, vulakafanga. It literally translates to Nzambi is a potter. He is a potter. He made only a bark. Now, what does a potter do? A potter works with clay, right? He works with clay. He imagines, first of all, he envisions and imagines what he wants to do with the clay. As soon as he has a vision, he will start working on the clay, yes, and forming that clay according to the image which he had in his mind. And he forms that clay into that image. That is Nzambi Boomba. Dit is Bukongo. And Bukongo is the spirituality, the wisdom of the Congo people. Do you remember in the book of Deuteronomy that Nzambi said by the prophet, if you follow my instructions, you will be considered wise among the nations. Yes, wise. They will say, this is a wise people. That's Bukongo. It's the wisdom of the Congo. The verb vumba or boomba alludes to the activity of a potter giving a form to a lump of clay. Yes, also from the dictionary. It's the dictionary of Laman, a Dutch, now French guy. 1936. I also have that dictionary. All right. And I will show you. Now, Jeremiah 18, let's read this. O house of Israel, Yisolele, cannot I do with you as this potter? Said Tatanzambe, Yakongo. Behold, as the clay is in the potter's hand, so are you in my hand. Bena Isolele, Bena Beto. The creator is called among the Bakuba, who are a Bantu tribe in Congo, in DRC, the Bakuba. The creator is called Mumba. Yes, Mumba. So you see Vumba right there. It's divine idol, as it is defined as what? To make. Yes, to make something from earthly material. It can be clay, it can be wood, but you are making something, you're giving form to something. That's called Vumba. Yes, Boomba. What do you see here?
It's Wumba, Boomba, pottery.
Pottery. Hallelujah. For those who are slow. O house of Isolele, can I, Zambi Vumba, can I do with you as this potter, Vumba? Behold, as the clay is in the potter's hand, so are you in mine hand. The creator is also known by the name Vumba, Boomba, Loa. He said, let there be lights in the firmaments of the heaven to divide the day from the night, to divide those two moments, the moments of the day, the moment of the night. And let them be for signs, omens, yes, prophetic signs, omens, prophecy, and for seasons, and for days and years. And let them be for lights in the firmament of heaven, to give light upon the earth. And it was so. And therefore, he made two great lights, which are, we know it as the sun and the moon. Yes, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser to rule the night. And with them, the stars. The stars also includes the planets. Yes, the planets in our galaxy, because there are many galaxies. Yes, there are many galaxies, and those galaxies are also inhabited. Do you understand? We are not the only living entities in our galaxy. We also have other beings living on different planets. Yes. Now, it's difficult to understand. Why? Because Christianity will tell you that we are the only people in our galaxy, the only living entities in our galaxy. It doesn't make any sense, because our ancestors never believed in that crap. Okay? And when you study the ancient religions, they will tell you that there were people who came from Zulu, from the sky. Yes. And those people who came from the sky, they brought religion, they brought wisdom, they brought, everything that we needed on the planet. They are the one who came to teach wisdom, to teach science. That's in every ancient religion. When you read the book of Enoch, when you read it, there is something, I don't know exactly where, I have to look for it, but somewhere in this book, Enoch talks about the paths of the angels in the cosmos. Yes, that the angels have a path, like a highway, cosmic highway, that they use to travel as they are coming here and going to other planets and galaxies. There is no science in Christianity. In Bukongo, there is science, because science is part of spirituality. These two lights, yes, these two lights received rule. Can you see that? These two lights received rulership. Now, how can the sun rule? Because this rulership is an active thing. It's not passive. So they gave rulership to the sun. Dominion, rule, dominion, government, power. Rule, dominion, realm, Strong's definition. Memshala, feminine, yes. Rule. The sun received rulership. And the moon also received rulership. Oh, where are we? Oh, here. Yes, and the moon also received rulership, dominion, government. That's an active thing. It's not passive. So how is the sun ruling? How is the moon ruling? There is a spirit of creation in the sun, who lives in the sun, who envelopes the sun. Rulership is given to spirits, not to inanimated objects, not to this glass. This glass has no rulership, but rulership is given to spirits. The sun manifested, materialized, because a spirit was given rulership to divide day and night. And as a consequence, that spirit manifested and became the sun. materialized and became the Son.